Hi and welcome to the ultimate post-processing and editing course for beginners. My name is Jellis Vaas and I am a professional travel and adventure photographer, and I hope that you are ready to take your photos from this to this. After my first successful course, the Ultimate Photography course for beginners, where we covered all the theoretical and technical aspects of photography, I am super excited to invite you on a brand new adventure where we will explore the other half of the whole that makes up photography: post-processing and editing. This course is designed to teach and show you all the fundamental techniques and tools of Lightroom and Photoshop. Now, I've divided this course into 3 sections. The first one will explain how Lightroom works. The second one will explain how Photoshop works and all the different techniques and tools that we will need. And in the third section, that's where the actual post-processing and editing will come to happen, and where we will go over various different photos, all from start to finish, applying all those different techniques and tools that we have learned in those previous lessons. With every photo that we will come to edit in the third section, we will come to learn a whole variety of new skills and techniques that all together will come to make your okay looking photos into stunning and dramatic looking photographs that will take yours and everyone's breath away. Now, I hope to see you soon, as I for one can't wait to be your teacher and to show you exactly what's in store for you. There's a lot of fun to be had in taking this course, so hop on board and I'll see you soon.